హాయ్ వాస్ స్టూడియోగా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను థర్డ్ క్లాస్. ఈ స్టూడియోలో వచ్చేసరికి కొంచెం హింట్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ డిఫికల్ట్ ఏంటంటో పాయింట్స్ ఏంటంటో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద ఎపిసోడ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం చెక్ చేసిన దాంట్లో చూడండి ఒకసారి. నేను యూజ్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఫాంట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ముందు చెప్పినయే, క్లాస్ రూల్స్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ముందు చెప్పినయే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ మనం చూసిన దాంట్లో టీ, ఎం, నెక్స్ట్ బి. టీ, ఎం, బి, టీ, ఎం, B. That is the rule. Okay. Next rule ఏంటి? L C R L C R L C R. ఓకే ఓకే మనం ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చూసింది హారిజాంటల్ చూస్తున్నాం. హారిజాంటల్ వచ్చేసరికి మనం చూసిన దాంట్లో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. 1 వచ్చేసరికి టాప్లో ఉంది, బాటంలో ఉంది, మిడిల్లో లేదు. మిడిల్లో రావాలంటే ఈ బాక్స్లో ఆల్రెడీ 1 is filled. ఈ బాక్స్లో కూడా ఆల్రెడీ 1 is filled. దిస్ బాక్స్ 1 is not filled. కాబట్టి మనకి 1 is మిడిల్. మిడిల్ చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ 2 rows మనకి ఈ రోలో 2 columns మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. 2 columns చెక్ చేయాలంటే ఆల్రెడీ సెంటర్ కాలంలో 1 is there కాబట్టి 1 is perfect. ఓకే 1. నెక్స్ట్ 2 అనే నెంబరు ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ తగ్గట్లేదు. ఓకే, లీవ్ ఇట్. 3 వచ్చేసరికి టాప్లో ఉంది, మిడిల్లో ఉంది, మనకి బాటంలో కావాలి. బాటంలో కావాలనగానే మనకి ఈ బాక్స్లో ఆల్రెడీ 3 is there. ఈ బాక్స్లో ఆల్రెడీ 3 is there. పర్ఫెక్ట్. 3 is దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 4 is ద టాప్లో లేదు, మిడిల్లో ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ బాటంలో ఉంది. బాటంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి ఈ బాక్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫిల్ప్ అయిపోయింది 4. ఈ బాక్స్లో ఆల్రెడీ 4 ఫిల్ప్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ టాప్లో 4 చెక్ చేసుకుంటే ఆల్రెడీ రైట్ కాలంలో మనకి 4 is there కాబట్టి పర్ఫెక్ట్ 4 is there. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 5 is a single number. Leave it. 6 is the top, middle, bottom. 6 is the flip then. Okay. 7 is the top, bottom, middle. అనగానే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ బాక్స్ is flipped, ఈ బాక్స్ is 7 is flipped. కానీ మిడిల్ బాక్స్ లో కాబట్టి మనం చెక్ చేసిన 2 columns చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. 2 columns లో సెంటర్ కాలంలో ఆల్రెడీ 7 is there కాబట్టి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ is 7. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 8. leave it. 9 is a single number. Okay, leave it. Okay, this horizontal is completed. The center horizontal is the 1 is the top, not there. Middle 1 is there. Next bottom is the 1 is there. This box is already filled the 1. This box is already 1 is the filled then. This box is the top. Top is there already 1 left column, already in the right column filled. That is 1. Okay. 2 is the top, middle, bottom 2 is there. 2 boxes is the 2 is not there. That is the left side or right side. Okay, 2 is there. Next 3. Then 3 is the top, middle. Okay, 3 is the bottom. Okay, matching. చూసారా మ్యాచింగ్. ఆల్రెడీ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ లో మ్యాచింగ్ చెప్పాను, థర్డ్ క్లాస్ లో, ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్ కాబట్టి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 4 సింగిల్ నెంబర్, 5 సింగిల్ నెంబర్, 6 leave it, 7 single number, 8 double, top, bottom is the middle is the this box. Already box is filled with 8, this box is already filled with, this box is 8 is not there, that is middle. 9 is the middle, bottom, top is 9, this box is already filled with 9, this box is already filled with 9, this box is 9. Okay, next, okay, this box, okay, 1 is there, is the top, 2 then bottom is the 1, middle is the 1, already left side is the 1 is there, right side is center is the right, center is the 1 is there, and right side 1 is not there, that is 1. Okay, 2 leave it, 3 leave it, 4 already filled 10, 5 is the top and bottom, then the two boxes left side and right center is the already 5 is the filled, then left side is the 5. Okay, 6 is the middle and bottom, this is the top is there, the 6 two numbers is the left side and center is 6. Okay, 7 is a single number, leave it, 8 leave it, 9 is the top is 9 and middle is 9 and bottom, these boxes are filled, these boxes are filled, that is 9 is there, is the bottom, that box perfect 9. Okay, is the top, middle, bottom already completed. So put next vertical, okay, vertical lines, horizontal boxes completed, vertical boxes. Okay, next 1 okay, 2 leave it, next 3, this one 3 leave it, 4 5 single 5, 6 this box is left side, this center, right side the box is there, 6 this one 6, this one 6. Okay, next 7 single number, leave it, 8 is the single number, leave it, 9 left side is 9, right side is 9, that's one, center is there, this box is already filled with 9, this box is already filled with 9, this 9, this box is 9. Okay, already this number is 9 there, కాబట్టి perfect 9 is there. Okay, perfect 9. Next, okay, 9 is completed. Okay, next this place 1 2 is a single number, 3 the middle. Okay, perfect 3. Okay, this box. Okay, next 4 the center and right side, left side is there, then two boxes 4 is there, already 4 is done, the perfect 4 is there. Okay, next 5 is there, center and left side, then perfect 5 is there, right side This box. This box is a 5 then. This box is a 5 filled then. Okay. This box already completed. Check change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not there. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6 is there. This one, 6 is not filled. Then perfect 6 is there. This one. Perfect 6 is there. This one. Okay. Perfect 6 is there. 6 1. Okay. Already this line is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not there. This box is perfectly completed. Line. This row is the completed. Okay. Next. This column is all completed. Take it. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not there. 8. Okay. 8 is there. Okay. This box is 8. Already this box is completed. 1, 2 is there, not there. This box. Okay. Okay. Next. This column. 1, 1, 1. 2. 2 is the single number. 2 is the single number. Okay. 2 is the single number. Next. 3, 3, 3, 3. This one top, this one top is 3. Okay. Perfect 3. Okay. Not 6. This one perfect 3 is there. That perfect 6 is this one perfect 6. Okay. This one is the perfect 6. Okay. Next. 7. Single number. 8. Single number. 9. Single number. Very difficult to sum. Solve this puzzle. Okay. First of all, check them. But already is 2 is the top, 2 is the right side, is the center, the left side is the column, there is a 2 there, this one 2, this one 2. Already 2 is there, the perfect 2. The perfect 2 is there, then that single number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. First of all. Okay. Firstly completed. This one 5, this one 5, this one 5. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 3. Top is 3. Then middle is 3. Then 3. Top is 3. Middle is 3. Bottom is 3 is not there. This box is 3. Next. Okay. 2, 2. Top is 2. Bottom is 2. Middle. Middle, this box is not 2. Kabatti, single box is 2 there. Okay. Next. 5 already filled up 10. 6. This box already, so 6 is filled 10. 7. 7 is a single number. Okay. 8. Single number. Okay. 9. This box is 9. This box is 9. This box is 9. Okay. Next. Check the Ninka. What are you thinking? Think. Okay. The right column is the 5, then center the 5 is there. Okay, next this horizontal substitution 1 1 1. Next 2 2 2 there, 3 3 3 there. Okay, 4 4 4. The middle the 4, top is the bottom is the 4, top is the 4. Then this column already left side the 4 is there, then perfect 4 is there this place. Okay, 5 is the middle bottom, that is perfect 5 is the, this box already box is the filled the 5, this box is already the filled the 5, that is the top the perfect 5. Okay, next 7 6 7 6. This top is the 6 is the filled in, middle is the 6 filled in, bottom perfect 6. Okay, 7 middle is the 6 7, middle is that 7, bottom is the 7, top that one perfect 7, sorry 7, perfect 7. Okay, next alert 2 is completed this place. Okay, kabatti 2 is not there, that is a 3, that one is 2. Okay, that one is a 2. Okay, next next 8 is a single number. Okay, David 7, center is 7, right side is 7, plus the left side is 7 is not there. This box is already self-filled in. This box is already 7 filled in. This one is the top perfect 7. Okay, okay, this box single number, that is 8. Okay, check them. This box is this right side is 8, center is 8, then left side is 8. Okay, this box are check then 1 2 3 4 5 is not there. That is a single box. 1 2 is not there. Okay, next check. First of all, 1 1 1, 2 is the single number, repeat, 3 3 3, 4 4 4, 5 5 5, 6 6 6, 7 7, that is the right side, left side is 7, center is the 7, then right side, this box is a 7 is not there, perfect 7. Okay, this box is a single box, that one 8. Okay, next 9 is a center, that one is the 9, left side, that one 9. Okay, 2 boxes. Alright, we will solve the completed. Yeah, that is single number is the 2, the single number is the 8. Okay, solve. Completed. Very difficult sum puzzle, then solve the easy process. That one using them top, middle, bottom, left side, center, right side. Okay, next class, next. Okay, you will practice more success. Okay, thank you.